Hi, I'm Michael Stuyvesant. I'm the Director of Sales for Columbia Okura, and today we are introducing the miniPAL Plus, the collaborative palletizer featuring the UR20 robot from Universal Robots. So when we designed this robot XL, we had safety in mind, and safety was kind of paramount. So we've incorporated a bunch of different features to this robot that really kind of put that at the forefront. The first thing we've got here are some safety scanners, so that when you're running into the zone, the robot will go into a collaborative mode and slow down. The next feature there that we've got is some radars in place. The radar is actually looking for the absence of motion. As soon as I step out of there, it will look for 4 seconds worth of no motion. Right now the robot arm is in its field of vision before it goes back into full operational mode. So there's no reset required or doing any of that. This is complementary also to the force feedback features that come, inherent with the robot. We've also got safety guarding here. The reason that we've thought about the safety guarding to the outside is it allows you to run the robot at full speed and operational with the heavier payload. So the industries that we kind of had in mind with this were, it's really the flexibility and the versatility to do multiple industries, multiple different case types. With the heavier payload, we can use vacuum. We were also designing some mechanical tools that will be able to work with the robot and continue to palletize. The robot itself is collapsible, so you could do one side or two sides. You could add infeeds. You could do one robot infeed or two robot infeeds. You could also add in safety scanners. So if you wanted to operate the robot without the safety guarding, there's outriggers you can put on and it will actually scan out into a safe distance based on the speeds and the rates that are required.